Namaste, automation enthusiast. The long wait is finally over. Yes, Automation Anywhere has officially launched the much awaited APA training series. Welcome to week 1 game plan. I'm thrilled to be your co-pilot on this exciting journey. I'm Ganesh Bhatt, Automation Anywhere MVP, and in this series, we are not just taking only a theory, we are going to do hands-on, building a real automation and solving a real problem with me. This is where your automation game levels up, and by the end of it, you will be ready to create a powerful AI-driven solution with confidence. So why we have to wait? Fire up your control room, grab that coffee, and let's get started this. Alright, before we dive further, a quick note. This entire Build With Me series is all about learning together, building a bot step by step, and helping each other to grow in this APA journey. If at any point you get stuck, or if you're having any question, or just want to connect with me, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. You can find me as Ganesh Bhatt. I'm an MVP Automation Anywhere certified trainer and solution architect. I'm here to support you throughout this training, and I would love to see your success with APA. So don't hesitate, follow me, drop a message, and let's build greatness together. If you haven't registered yet, no worries. Registration is still open as of April 8, 2025. Just click the link in the description below. Once you register, you will get an access to the control room, and from there, boom, you can start building hands-on with me right away. Don't miss it. Let's build together and make the most out of this APA camp. Let's talk about how this APA training camp is structured so you don't miss a thing. The training officially runs from April 7th, 2025 to May 2nd, 2025. And here is what the weekly rhythm looks like. Every Monday, you will have a weekly game plan released, and that's your main content to consume and start building with. Every Wednesday, you will have office hours. It's your chance to get doubts clarified and hear a common questions. And also on Thursday, you will have a LinkedIn live coaching session. That's where you hear a straight from the expert, live and direct. All sessions follow the same timing, 10:30 a.m. EST, which is 8 p.m. IST. So that's why super convenient for us in India too. Now, here is the best part. This structure helps you to stay consistent, avoid overload, and build confidently week by week. And if you ever feel lost or want a help, just reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'm tracking the same journey with you and happy to help. And also, I would recommend make sure to join the APA group. The link is right there in the video description. This is where the real action is happening. Trust me, you will find some of the most inspiring developers from around the world in there. People who are building up bots, sharing the tips, solving the problems, and yes, even helping each other when things get stuck. Ask a question, drop your updates, and stay in sync with what's happening inside the training camp. From game plan release to the office hours and all the way to the LinkedIn live coaching session. And the cherry on the top, you will also stand a chance to win an exclusive swag from the Automation Anywhere, like branded t-shirt, sticker, bottles, maybe even something more. So don't just watch from the sideline, get in, engage, and build alongside the community. So go ahead, click the link in the description, join the APA group, and let's make some automation magic together. Now, let me walk you through what exactly we are going to learn in this 4 amazing week of Automation Anywhere training camp. There are 2 learning tracks. Depending on your role and interest, you can choose any of this. First one is a leader track. If you're someone who is driving automation at a strategic level, like COE lead, team manager, or business analyst, or someone influencing a decision, then it's for you. In this track, all about making you an automation champion in your organization. Now, if you're like me, love building a bots, solving a real world problem, and getting your hands dirty with an automation, then welcome to the developer track team. And here, at the end of this track, you will be ready to take a real-time automation project with confidence. So no matter where you are in your automation journey, there will be something for you here. And yes, you are not alone. You will be learning alongside a global community and we're all going to build something awesome together. If you are a leader, then go and complete Agentic Process Automation Leader Masterclass. I have already mentioned this link in a video description. Please go and log in and complete this 7 videos. This will be very helpful to understand what is exactly agentic process automation and how you can leverage a 9 quadrant framework that will be very fantastically designed by the Automation Anywhere, and you can use that step by step in your organization to success your APA program. And also you will see how exactly you can set a priority in organization with your APA program, and also the lot of other options, right? The problem statement, what exactly the APA projects looks like, and how you can approach to the your management. Everything is mentioned in these videos. Trust me, this is one of the best video series to understand what is exactly agentic process automation and how you can implement with automation anywhere. Everything is beautifully designed in this week. And if you are a developer, then I would suggest go and complete agentic process automation developer masterclass. As again, this particular link is mentioned in the video description. If you are a developer, please log into that link and complete this 6 different videos. And here you will learn again what is exactly agentic process automation for the developer perspective and how you can implement 9 quadrant framework in the development, and also solving couple of agentic process automation projects. And also you will see how you can utilize human in a loop to approve, because a agentic process automation is not only the part of generative AI. Here human also will come into the picture and they will approve, then only the agentic process automation project will complete. How you can build that copilot structure, everything you will see in this particular session. And also I will also build after some time. Please watch this video till the end. You will get to know how we can build human in a loop in automation anywhere, as well as establishing a model connection and generative AI governance. Everything we will see in this video. If I consider my favorite learning from both the track is 9 quadrant framework. Seriously, this is one of the best design automation anywhere is giving to us to tackle the APA program. Agentic process automation, whenever you want to implement in the organization, there will be a lot of question from the management. Then how you can answer to that management question, or how you can choose the best resource to build this APA program, everything is designed in this 9 quadrant simple structure. Developers perspective, in this week we have a 2 hands-on session. One is integrating a human in a loop with automation anywhere and establishing a model connection with AI governance. So basically both are practical session. You can find that particular session in developer track, the last 2 different videos integrating human in a loop. Here detailedly explained why exactly human in a loop is required and where exactly it is required. And also in the model connection, how exactly you can connect with the different vendors and what are all the different technique you can use it to make sure your credentials are secure. Both we will do live in this session. If you have already registered for the training camp, then you would have got this particular email, your credential for Agentic Process Automation Training Camp. Here in this email, you will get Automation Anywhere Enterprise Control Room access with username and password. Please go to that URL and log in with username and password. How you will log in other website, same like that. Okay, I have already logged into my control room. The username and password is given by Automation Anywhere team for this training camp. If you're having any trouble to log in, please feel free to add your question in the training camp group. So you can get an answer quickly from Automation Anywhere group. And once you logged in, please make sure your device is connected or not. How we can connect a device? It's very simple. Just go to your manage section. There you will see the device. Once you will go to the device section, make sure to click on plus symbol and connect my computer. Here, your bot agent will be downloaded first time. Simple way how you will install other normal application. Same way you can install it. Then click on next. Once after that, magical bot agent will be connect with your automation anywhere. So now, once after this is connected, let's go to the automation public folder. You will have a public and private, both of the folder. Once you will navigate to the public folder, you will find one of the folder called APATC. And here you will have the folder called Eric. So I would recommend this Eric process, whatever you are seeing right now, please go and clone that process. Don't export it. Don't do any other thing. Just clone the process. Once you clone the process, it will ask for a clone. Once it is cloned, you will get a process inside your private folder. In the private folder, whatever you have cloned, just copy that. I know this is little bit trickier, but do with me step by step. Then it will be very easier for you. And once you copied that particular Eric copy one, just go inside and start your bot. That's it. Once you start, it will ask some information in the Copilot. So what is exactly this bot is? This will check your system is ready for entire this 4 week of Automation Anywhere training camp. So this will be very helpful for your next upcoming week training. So now just add your name and your business email. So after that, you can give any path from your device to get download particular file generating by automation anyway. Let me take any of this and come back to here and submit. So this is not mandatory to give the true values whatever you have. Just you can give an example value and you can just start your bot. Once it is started, it will take a time to start in your device first time. If everything is goes well, you will get at the end something crazy result. Please wait for that result in the Copilot. So now your bot is opening a web browser just for checking your automation readiness. So just close this website and go back to the Automation Anywhere Copilot and wait for next bot to be complete. Once it is completed, let's come to the result. Please share. So here you can see the name, email address and the path, and most important part here is all this output should be in the pass status. In case if you are having any fail status, please reach out to Automation Anywhere group so that they can help you to fix this issue. If you fix now, then it will be very easy for the next training camp in the next week. So now, after this what? So just close this. We have a two different hands-on session in this week. One is human in a loop concept. Second one is model connection with your automation anywhere control room. The first one is human in a loop. Why exactly we need a human in a loop? So example, you have a approval method in your entire process flow. So currently humans are taking a approval manually. The same manual process you can include in your automation process also using automation anywhere copilot human in a loop concept. It's very easy to build. Let's go with a step by step. Just create a form first. Example, let's take a form and here we will add week 1 APA journey or APA, right? Just create it. Once you create a form, this form we will call it as Copilot form. You can use this particular front end for your user. So example, I want to take a name of the user who is running this bot, right? So in that case, you can just drag and drop this text box and you can have a name. Please enter your name. That's it. Once after that, your beautiful UI is created. You can add all other element, whatever required for your training. So just I'm adding for a today purpose. We want to learn how exactly human in a loop concept will work. So that's why I have added only one text box. And you can add a rules also. Let me just close it. And after that, let's go and create one more task bot. And here I will mention task bot for message. Once after you created a task bot, let's create a variable user name and I will take it as an input. Now, just I want to show whatever human is entering a username that should, let's take here a message box, message in the action panel and drag and drop. So here you can just take username which is created by you. So if you see here, we have created a username variable. Same thing I'm taking in a message box. Just save it and come back to your Automation Anywhere control room. And here, let's create a process flow. This we call it as Copilot process for Automation Anywhere. Process flow for APA, right? And create and edit. So now this particular canvas will help you to integrate your form, your task bot or any other structure in this flow. So now we have a form first, right? So let me just click on the start and go to the form. And here you can take the form which is created by us week 1 APA. And here the request title is form input. And after that, we have a task bot to show that username, right? So let me just take it as output message. And here also I will take a same task name. Then select your bot, task bot for message. Then here you can pass the username. And what is the username? Whatever we have in the APA training form, that username we have to take it here. So that's why I will click on this insert variable, then go to the request and input, please enter your name. If you remember, the same input we have added in the form. Just add it and save. Now you have created a Copilot structure for human in a loop. Then just click on run, and once you click on run, the Copilot form will be visible for you. And here you can write your name and click submit. Once you click submit, your another bot will run in your local machine and it will show the message box whatever the message you have given in the Copilot form. This is what we call it as human in a loop concept in Automation Anywhere. And this particular Copilot you can integrate in any of the websites or in your team's application. So this will be very easy to interact with the humans whenever it is necessary. So that's why it's very important to learn for the next week of training camp. Please do it in your system with using some couple of other R&D. You can do it. For example, you can take a approval, you can take a API task or other process. I hope you have understand this. If you're having any question, please comment on this video section or you can feel free to connect with me in the LinkedIn. So now let's go to the second hands-on, that is connect your model with the Automation Anywhere. If you want to connect first model with your Automation Anywhere, then go to the panel called AI in the left hand side and here you can see model connection and the governance. Before going to the model connection, let's talk about the governance. Why exactly we need a governance in APA? Whenever you want to build an agentic process automation, definitely your organization will ask how exactly you are tracking your system which is connected with a Gen AI, because Gen AI is most eye catcher for all the organization. So that's why Automation Anywhere is introduced governance tab. Here you can see each and every action which is connected with any APA programs. So you can see always what is the usability or what are all the data it is passing, any HIPAA complaints data or anything it is passing or not. So here you can track your all the data which is necessary for your process. And now let's come to the model connection. This is very easy to connect any model which is having an API connection with you. Second to model connection. Here already Automation Anywhere is added two models for our training purpose. But when you are doing in your Automation Anywhere enterprise for the company, then you will have a plus symbol here. Just imagine you have a plus symbol, then you can connect your model very easily. That is already explained in the Automation Anywhere model connection series. Please watch that and understand how you can connect in the real time the model connection in your control room. If you are having any question, please feel to reach out Automation Anywhere team, or you can find me in the LinkedIn. So this is what we learned in entire week of training camp. We will wait for the next week training and we will learn more about agentic process automation. Happy learning. Go be great.